EBITDA is a common metric used to look at a company's core profitability before accounting choices and financing costs get involved. The acronym stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Think of it as a way to compare the performance of different companies without the noise of their specific tax or debt structures. By removing these four factors, investors can focus strictly on operational efficiency and the raw cash flow generated by daily business activities. While net income shows what is left for shareholders, EBITDA provides a clearer picture of profitability regardless of how the business is funded. This chart shows how EBITDA is derived by stripping away non-operational costs to highlight the underlying health of the company's core business model. Always remember that EBITDA does not account for the cash needed to replace equipment or pay off debt, so it is just one piece of the puzzle. Thanks for learning the basics of EBITDA. Please subscribe for more finance explainers, and remember that this is for educational purposes only.